Hello everyone, today I'm drawing Josiah Brooks. His channel name for YouTube is Draw With Jazza. He's the first artist on YouTube to reach over 3 million subscribers. He has a lot of tutorials, how to draw videos, and he does all kinds of art challenges. I'll leave a link in the description of this video so you can check his channel out. The drawing that I'm doing here is with a Bic Cristal ultra fine point red pen. It's a ballpoint pen. To draw this, I was doing a bit of my scribble technique. What I do is I kind of just scribble everywhere where I think things should go, and then after I've got the shape of it done, I go in and I work on the form of it, getting the eyes, the nose, and all that good to where the shading's proper. I do some cross hatching, and I pay attention to the anatomy of the face, and I focus on trying to get all the shading done properly depending on the direction of the light. And the whole time I'm just constantly moving my hand. I try to prevent myself from taking a break for any more than a couple of seconds. And this drawing took me about an hour to complete. And the last drawing I did today, I was using a ballpoint pen as well, but it was a different kind of the Bic ballpoints. I noticed that with this brand, with the Cristal pen, the ink goes down a little bit heavier than it does with the other pen. And it can be an advantage or a disadvantage depending on what you're drawing. But for me, it worked for this drawing because I had a lot more darker areas, such as the left side of the face. And then when it came to the shirt, I just used the larger 1.6 ballpoint pen to shade that in really fast, because the challenge for this month is to only draw with pens that are ink. I'm not going to be using any colored pencils or anything that doesn't have ink in it. But I had a lot of fun doing this drawing, and if you have any drawing suggestions or anything, go let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what you think of this drawing that I did. But for now, thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.